So up next, I'll be calling on Brenda. Hi, Brenda. So Brenda is one of the community managers here at Code Vixens Academy, and she's going to be handling today's session on how to make use of Mattermost. Okay. Yeah. So Brenda, hello Brenda, are you there?
Hello everyone. It's so happy. I'm so happy to meet you guys. And for myself, I'm called Brenda Gael. I am one of the community managers for Code Vixens Academy, and I'm going to be a trainer today for Mattermost, one of the tools that you'll be using, especially for communication for the training band 4.0. So I think that's it. Nothing much to say about me. Yeah. So it's so nice to meet you guys, and let's see what we have for today. Lois, would you like to present, like share the screen for me?
All right, then that's fine. Sure, I can do that.
Thank you. Okay, so please, if you stop hearing me, just indicate on the chat. So, but our agenda today is pretty short. We have the introductions, which we already have done, and then we are going to go right into knowing what Mattermost is, how to access Mattermost, and then Q&A session and conclusion. It's that simple. It's a very simple tool to use, and you are not going to have a hard time to get used to it. Next slide, please. Yeah, I think we've already done welcome and introductions. Okay, so what is Mattermost? If you see the picture on the right, you are going to see the logo, so you know the right app to get. But Mattermost is a free to use communication tool, and it's very easy to use and navigate. The user experience is very simple. So it provides one-on-one messaging and also group messaging features. You are going to see this, especially when you are going to be invited to the workspace. You also have voice and video call features, which we can use to communicate with each other and your mentors. And you have file, image, and link uploads. It has markdown formatting and fully searchable message history. And one thing that's very advantageous for Mattermost is you can keep all of your team's communication in one place, and you can also access the messages and all the communication of your team from the very start of the workspace which it was created. Next slide, please. So for accessing Mattermost, you can access it through a URL link, mostly an invite link that will be sent to you. You would receive an invite from your system admin or the person who owns the workspace, right? And you can use the link on the web browser, on your desktop application or your mobile application. And the mobile application is available for both Apple and Android users. So when you receive this invite and you click on it, you'll be able to sign in. So you can sign in with email and password like you see on the first document or the first picture there on the top, or you can sign in using GitLab, Google Office 365, and the other accounts which you can sign into. So the second picture below is actually like a visual of how Mattermost is. But when you sign in, you are going to see more of this. Next slide, please. So creating on a team on Mattermost, you can create a team and you can be invited to a team. So a team is a digital workplace where you and your teammates can collaborate. So depending on how you set up your team or your workspace, you can belong to one or more teams. So if you see with the image on the top left or right, you have two teams actually on that image, and you see how they are depicted. They're depicted with the team's logo or the team's profile picture, depending on what you want to put as the profile picture for that team. So you can be invited to one or more teams. You can be a part of one or more teams on Mattermost, and you can also create your team. Next slide, please. Okay, so we have questions and wrap up. But before we go to the questions and wrap up, I actually wanted to actually show you guys how it looks. Um, Lois, can you stop presenting so I kind of
Yeah,
give
you
give
can.
them, yeah.
You can just go ahead and present it to the it will bounce me off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please just indicate if you can see my screen. Um, So I just want to show you guys a sample of the invite email that you are going to receive. And then when you click on the email, the various steps you can take to join the workspace. Okay, so here's a sample email that you are going to receive from one of the um, organizing members for the training band 4.0. It might be Lois, it might be another person, but you are going to receive an email like this, especially for those who do not have accounts on Mattermost yet. So when you click on this button to join, it is going to redirect you to a page which you can log in. Yeah. So here you can either create a
Hello,
new account.
apologies to obstruct you. We can't see anything, any of these things you're displaying.
Okay.
Hi Brenda, can you please zoom in a bit? I think your brightness is like very low.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's much better now. Thank you.
Okay, but can you see the Gmail, the email invite that I'm sharing now?
Yes, we can.
Yes.
And then what of the Mattermost sign up page?
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes, we can see.
awesome. So I was saying when you click on the invite link that's been sent to you, you are going to be redirected here, and you have the option to create an account if you do not have one on Mattermost or you log in. So I'm just going to create an account right now. And for this part for username, especially for you guys that are part of the training band, it's advised for you to use your full name and not a nickname. So I would say Fiku Gael and then a very long password. And it's going to tell me that I already have an account. Okay, and also you can have this sign up link does not appear to be valid because this email was sent a long time ago, so it has like expired. But you can also come for me. I can log in because I have already access to Mattermost. But for you, this is the step that you are going to take to join the Mattermost workspace. So for me, I'm going to log in with my email and password. See, you guys now have seen my password. And this is it. As simple as that, you get to join the workspace. And this is the workspace that you guys are going to be joining soon for Code Vixen's training band 4.0. And as you can see, this is the UI. You have the town square, and you can also, this is where you get to do the group messaging, and you can see you can have one-on-one messaging for members of that workspace. And yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, that's how easy it is.
Something else, I just want to share my screen and just point out a couple of things before we, yeah. So this is how Mattermost shows on my end, and I'm using the app on my laptop. So if you can install the app, please install the app on your laptop, because if you have it on your browser, the issue with that is on your browser you won't receive notifications like that. But if you have it as an app on your laptop, then you're always going to be notified. So please install the Mattermost app on your laptop. Install the Mattermost app as well. Install the Mattermost app as well on your mobile devices. So we're seeing a couple of people that are saying hi, hey. They're saying, please make use of who is Fun Spice. Please change it to your full name. Please let's know. So please. So please change Fun Spice. Let's know who we are saying hi to. Right. So with Mattermost you can call. So if there is a coursemate that you need help with, help, or you need help with something related to what you're learning, I need to place a call. With Mattermost, you can easily start a call with somebody. So Mattermost is like an alternative to Slack, and it's a very cool option. Then you have the option to make your Mattermost fine, like mine. Brenda's own is white, mine is black because I like dark mode. So if there is if there's any mode, you can always choose to change to dark mode. Right? You can choose to dark mode. Chizaran, please send the server URL here in the chat box. So those who need the server URL can get the server URL. So if you want to change your team, you can just go to your account. You can change your picture. You can upload your picture when you want to. You can change your name, change your username, change your nickname. Then when you want to change your theme, you go to settings. So on settings here, I do hope you all can see my screen, please. You go to settings and then you choose display. Then you can hold on. You can let me see. Yeah, this is the team. Yeah, so this is the team area. So if you want it to be white like Brenda's own, this is how it is here. This is, you see, it is white.
Good evening, ma. Please, we cannot hear you. We cannot hear you, ma. We can hardly hear you, ma.
All right. Please, is it just Balikis?
It's just how I can hear you.
I can hear you loud and clear.
All right, thank you. Balikis, please, can you try joining the call again? Could be a network issue from your end, please. Thank you. Okay, so for those of us who are having issues with the server URL, Chizaram has sent it. The URL is hub.codevixens.org. Hub.codevixens.org. So this is how it is. I don't like it because it's too white. So I just change mine because I like dark mode. So just change. You can choose any one you want, any color you want. But I would go with this. And yeah. So this is it. So there are different channels. There's a town square channel, there's the off topic channel. These are like those general channels that we use to drop announcements and notifications. So later this week there'll be a private channel you'll be added to. That's a channel for your track, and in that channel your instructors will be added. So if you need to reach out to your instructors, you can reach out to your instructors via that private channel. For example, those in product management will have a private channel that is only available to those who are in the product management track. That means you can't join product management if you're not in the product management track. So you only get to see information that is relevant to what you're signed up for to learn here at Good Vixens. We are going to do that later on during this week. And again, if you have any questions, please feel free to just ask. If you need, so there's Awele, she's one of the community managers. There is Brenda, this is her here. Tiku Gael, there's Chizaram, this is Chizaram here. There is yeah, let me zoom in more so you all can see. So there's Chizaram here. There is Brenda, this is Brenda here. Tiku Gael. There is Awele, he's here too as well. There is Onyinyechi. She was the host for last week's Sunday's orientation session. She's one of our community managers. There is myself, which is Lois. There is Chinaza. She's one of our community, program managers at Code Vixens. Chinaza Igwanugo. There is Rachel Yari. I say Rachel Yari. Rachel, which is one of the programs managers. So these are the persons of contact. So for anyone, you can just reach out to them and let them know. Those are the people you will be reaching out to. Again, with Mattermost, you can send if you need to send attachment, you can send an attachment, right? So you can always send an attachment. You can just it's just very fine. In case you want to send a message, you can make it to be a list like this, to be a list like this, and when I will send this, it's going to come out as a list. So you see it's a list. You can send a bunch of rubbish. So this is so Mattermost is like really cool. If you want to do something coding related, you can send it as a code and it's going to send. If you want to make something bigger, you can do this and to send this bigger. If you want to bolden a text, you can bolden it like this and it's going to send it like this. If you want to strike anything through, you can do it like this and to strike it through. So there's so many things. If a message is supposed to be urgent, you can tick it as urgent. So when I say hi and I send it, everyone says that this is urgent. So that is basically that. So Mattermost is not hard to use, honestly, and I really hope we all get to enjoy this app as we have enjoyed the app as well. So let me delete this rubbish I sent because it's actually rubbish. Please make sure to always be available. So you don't miss out on any important notifications. So yeah, that's it.